west, to the north, to the south, you never really got that far. What's having an opinion got to do with giving you a chance? From the east to the west, to the north, to the south, before you had it all. Got left to fade and rot away, the consequence not doing your job. What's your point in if you're pretending to be something that you're not? I don't know much about life, but that's cool doing it wrong. What's your reason when you fight for a point, but you don't know what it is? You just listen to your primal instinct, your fist to feel distinctive. Woo! London town is burning down and we are going with it. London town is burning down and we are going with it. London town is burning down and we are going with it. Luckily we stayed round, London town is burning down. Was born in the field, unlike you, so you stand for a case. But me and you aren't too dissimilar, belong to the same race. We might share a different experience, we might lead different lives, but that don't make it any harder to struggle to survive. London town is burning down and we are going with it. London town is burning down and we are going with it. London town is burning down and we are going with it. Luckily we stayed round, 'cause London town is burning down. London town is burning down and we are going with it. London town is burning down and we are going with it. London town is burning down and we are going with it. Luckily we stayed round, 'cause London town is burning down.